There are a number of weighted jump ropes on the market. However, most have some serious drawbacks. They can be very expensive or they can be cheap knockoffs. I'm going to show you this new heavy rope option and its 4 awesome features. Let's kick things off with the biggest reason it's selling so fast, and that's price. While some weighted jump ropes can cost well over $100, this bad boy comes in at a smooth 55 bucks.
Duh, winning.
But don't let the price fool you. I've been testing this rope for the past couple of months to see if anything will break, and the only thing that has come close is me. This rope will definitely challenge you. A key feature of heavy jump ropes is having a bearing system. This helps the rope spin smoothly and allows for high performance to really take your workouts and skills to another level. One skill in particular that it can really help is double unders. If you can move this rope fast enough to do double unders, endurance and the amount of doubles you can do with your regular rope are sure to skyrocket. Another amazing feature is that it's size adjustable. This is big. Some weighted jump ropes only come in fixed size increments, which can leave users sometimes stranded in between sizes. While heavy ropes can be more forgiving regarding sizing, I prefer to be able to dial in my sizing to my specific preference. This is especially important when it comes to moving a weighted jump rope really fast. Now, the sizing adjustment was a concern of mine as it has the potential to be an area where it could fail or rip loose. 1 to 1.5 pounds doesn't sound like a lot, but when it's rotating at high speeds around you, it places a lot of force on the connection area. Through my use of the rope at high speeds and thousands of rotations, I have not seen any sign of weakness in this area. It uses 3 little screws to hold the rope in place, which does the job well. However, this is an aspect you need to be careful with. The screws are very tiny, and when loosening them for resizing, you need to be cautious to not lose the screws. I did drop one, and it took me a while to find it. I recommend not removing them completely and just loosen them enough so that the rope can slide out so you can cut it to length and then retighten. The rope itself is made of 12mm thick PVC. Some PVC can be horrible at retaining shape from being coiled or even hanging on a hook, which can cause trip-ups and lots of frustration. This rope is advertised as memory-free and has definitely lived up to that reputation. This rope is straight even after being coiled up in my cold garage. Now, one of the most important and impressive features. This rope is made for outdoor rough surface use. This is pretty uncommon as many companies recommend using a mat to protect the rope from excessive wear. So you know I had to see if I could do some damage. I didn't hold back either. I pummeled this thing into the rough road surface in front of my house to see how much wear would take place. I figured I would at least see some fairly significant gouges considering the surface I was jumping on. But upon inspection, I was shocked to see nothing of the sort. In fact, I couldn't really see or feel any signs of wear and tear at all. I don't know where they got this PVC material, but it's pretty freaking awesome, and I wouldn't hesitate to take this outside for a workout without a mat. This new heavy rope is the Elite Jumps Muay Thai 3.0. At full length, it comes in at 1.5 pounds, and I have it linked down below with a discount code in the description. Now you need to add some new skills and footwork to your jump roping to make it even more fun. Check out one of these playlists loaded with options.